To create a blank page in Canva, here on the Canva homepage, you want to search into the search bar what document type or document size you're going for. I'm going to minimize this option, and from here you can also choose the document size to start working with depending on the design you're working on. But let's start to customize the size since we have a size in mind that we want to work with. First, we're going to create a US letter, and let's come here to change our units of measurements to inch. Now we are going to type into here 8.5 by 11, and we are going to click on create new design. Our US letter has opened in Canvas editor as a blank new page. You can continue to add more blank new pages like this. And if you also want to number this page, you can come into text here and go into page numbers to add page number to all the pages. If you want to export your blank page, you click on share here and click on download. On the file type here, you want to change your file type into PDF standard or PDF print. I'll leave mine as PDF print, and you want to download your PDF.